Hello everyone. In this video, I wanted to go ahead and show you another cool feature that we're able to now take advantage of now that we've had our headers in place on our Microsoft Word document. If you haven't set up your headers yet, please go ahead and check out the past few videos that we did where we covered the Microsoft Word styles where we created these headers throughout our document. And then once you get those in place, come back to this video and I'll show you something cool that you can do with them. So if you have your headers in place, what we can do now with those headers is if we hit Control F, there we go. And then let's come over here to headings. We have all of our headings throughout our document. And you can see they're a little bit scrambled right now, right? You can see the headings are out of order. We have heading 1, the fourth instance of it here at the beginning, heading 1 at the very end. There could be an instance where you have something that you covered at the beginning of your document and you covered it again towards the end of your document. So rather than having to go through and cut and paste it, you can actually come over here to the header for those sections and you can just move it around. So if we wanted to move heading 1 over here to the very top of our page, all I have to do is click it and hold left click, and I just have to drag it to where I want it. So let's go and drag it to the top of the page. All right, sweet. So now we actually have heading 1 and heading 2, the first instance, which is the subheader for heading 1, and it's at the top of our page now. So we can we have the numbers here. Let's go ahead and move everything so it's in the correct order. So let's do the same thing here. This one should be at the very end. So now we have 4, 3, 2. Okay, so it all looks like it's correct. So this is a really, really cool feature. Once you have your headings in place for your document, you can come over here and at a glance, you can see the structure of your document, but then you can start moving stuff around and make your life so much easier so you're not having to go through and cut and paste things. So make sure you're setting up those headers throughout your document. It'll make your life so much easier in the end when you go through and you try to edit everything.